Cuba, a Caribbean island known for its rich history, vibrant culture, stunning beaches, and colorful architecture, is a dream destination for travelers. From the vibrant streets of Havana to the tranquil shores of Varadero, Cuba offers an array of experiences that appeal to all kinds of travelers. But is it possible to explore Cuba without breaking the bank? Absolutely. With a little planning, you can experience the best that Cuba has to offer while sticking to a budget. In this journey, we'll explore how to travel to Cuba on a budget, including the best places to visit, the best time to go, and the most affordable ways to find accommodation, activities, and tours. We'll also explain how to book your trip with Expedia for the best savings and bundled deals and why travel insurance is a must for your Cuban getaway. Plus, you'll find helpful recommendations to make the most of your experience in this beautiful historic country. Subscribe for more adventures. Why travel to Cuba? Cuba is a unique and alluring destination. Known for its tropical beauty, colorful streets, rich culture, and complex history, it offers experiences that are hard to find anywhere else. Here's why you should consider Cuba as your next travel destination. Cultural richness. Cuba is a melting pot of cultural influences, from Afro-Cuban traditions to Spanish colonial architecture. The music, dance, and art scene in Cuba are vibrant and deeply rooted in the country's history. Historical landmarks. Cuba is home to many UNESCO World Heritage Sites, such as Old Havana, Trinidad, and the colonial city of Camagüey. The architecture and history are both fascinating and beautifully preserved. Stunning beaches. From the famous beaches of Varadero to the more secluded spots like Playa Paraíso, Cuba has some of the most pristine beaches in the Caribbean. Affordability. While Cuba may have a reputation for being a bit challenging to navigate for budget travelers, it's still very affordable compared to other Caribbean destinations. There are many ways to experience Cuba on a budget. Best time to visit Cuba. Cuba is a year-round destination, but the best time to visit depends on your preferences. Here's a breakdown of when to go. High season, from December to April. Weather. The high season in Cuba coincides with the dry season, so you can expect pleasant temperatures and little rain. This is the best time to visit if you're looking for sunny days and clear skies. Perfect for outdoor activities and beach trips. Crowds and prices. Since it's the most popular time for tourists, expect higher prices for flights, accommodations, and tours. There will also be more crowds in popular tourist areas like Havana and Varadero. Why visit? Despite the higher costs, the weather and the range of festivals, such as the Havana International Jazz Festival in January, make it a great time to visit. Low season, from May to October. Weather. The low season coincides with the rainy season, which means you might encounter occasional downpours. However, rain usually comes in the form of short tropical showers, so it won't spoil your trip. Crowds and prices. Because fewer tourists visit Cuba during the low season, you'll find lower prices for accommodations and activities. This is a great time for budget travelers who don't mind a bit of rain. Why visit? Lower prices and fewer crowds make the low season ideal for those who want to enjoy a more laid-back experience in Cuba. If you're looking for affordable accommodation and flights, this is the time to go. Budget-friendly travel tips for Cuba. Visiting Cuba on a budget requires some strategic planning. Here's how you can save money and still experience the best of the island. Flights to Cuba. Save with Expedia. The cost of flights can make or break your budget. To find the best deals, consider these tips. Book in advance. Flights to Cuba tend to be cheaper if you book several months in advance. Try to book your flight 2 to 3 months ahead to find the best deals. Being flexible with your travel dates can help you find cheaper flights. Use tools like Expedia to compare prices across different dates and find the most affordable options. Expedia offers great savings when you bundle your flight with accommodations or activities. You can often get significant discounts on your overall trip by bundling travel services. Click the link in my channel's description for Expedia's best savings and bundle deals. Accommodation. From luxury hotels to budget stays, Cuba offers a range of accommodation options, from affordable homestays to luxurious resorts. Here's how to find the best places to stay while sticking to your budget. If you're looking for upscale accommodation, Cuba has some beautiful luxury resorts and hotels. These can be found in Havana, Varadero, and the more exclusive resorts like Cayo Coco and Cayo Santa Maria. Hotel Nacional de Cuba in Havana, Gran Muthu Rainbow Hotel in Varadero, and Melia Cayo Santa Maria in Cayo Santa Maria are great options. Cuba also offers plenty of mid-range hotels that provide comfort and a great location without the high prices of luxury resorts. Look for hotels in Havana and Trinidad that offer convenient access to tourist attractions and public transportation. One of the best ways to experience Cuba on a budget is by staying in a casa particular, a privately owned guest house or bed and breakfast. Casas particulares are often located in homes or small apartments and offer a more personal experience. They are also an affordable option, with prices ranging from $25 to $50 per night for a private room. Airbnb also offers affordable rental options, from entire apartments to private rooms. For those traveling on an even tighter budget, hostels are available in cities like Havana, Varadero, and Trinidad. Prices for dormitory beds can be as low as $10 per night. Remember to check out those amazing deals with Expedia in my channel's description for the best accommodation options and savings. Transportation getting around Cuba on a budget. Traveling around Cuba can be an adventure in itself, but it doesn't have to be expensive. Here are some affordable ways to get around. Cuba's public transportation is very affordable, although it may not always be the most reliable. Buses are the cheapest option, and you can take a long-distance bus between cities for as little as $10 to $20. Local buses in Havana cost just a few cents. For inner-city travel, Via Azul is a comfortable and affordable bus service that connects most major tourist destinations in Cuba, including Havana, Varadero, Trinidad, and Vinales. Tickets are affordable, typically costing between $5 to $30 depending on the route. If you need to get somewhere quickly, shared taxis, known as colectivos, are a good option. These can be more expensive than buses, but are still affordable when shared with other travelers. They are usually available in most major cities and tourist areas. Renting a car can be a good option if you plan to explore more remote areas or visit places like Vinales or Cienfuegos. While car rental can be pricier than public transport, it provides flexibility and the opportunity to discover Cuba at your own pace. Use Expedia to book car rentals and save money with bundled deals. Why travel insurance is important for your Cuba trip. While Cuba is a beautiful and welcoming country, it's always smart to be prepared for the unexpected. Travel insurance is essential for any international trip, and here's why. Medical coverage. Health insurance is required to enter Cuba, and travel insurance can provide coverage in case of medical emergencies. It's essential to make sure you're covered for any unexpected health issues during your trip. Trip cancellations or delays. If your plans change or your flight is delayed, travel insurance can help cover the costs of cancellations and provide reimbursement for unexpected changes to your trip. Lost luggage. With the potential for lost baggage, especially when traveling internationally, travel insurance can help you recover the costs of essential items you may need to purchase while waiting for your luggage. You can easily purchase travel insurance when booking through Expedia, ensuring you're covered before you leave. Top places to visit in Cuba. Cuba is filled with amazing places to visit, from the colorful streets of Havana to the tranquil beaches of the Caribbean. Here are some of the top destinations to add to your list. 1. Havana. The capital city is a must-visit, with its vibrant streets, historic architecture, and fascinating history. Walk along the Malecón, explore old Havana's cobbled streets, and take a ride in a vintage car. 2. Varadero. If you love beautiful beaches, Varadero is the place to go. Known for its long stretches of white sandy beaches and turquoise waters, Varadero is one of the most famous beach destinations in Cuba. 3. Trinidad. Trinidad is a charming colonial town with cobblestone streets, pastel-colored houses, and a rich history. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site and offers visitors a glimpse into Cuba's past. 4. Vinales Valley. For nature lovers, Vinales is a must-see. This picturesque region, famous for its tobacco farms and limestone mountains, offers opportunities for hiking, horseback riding, and exploring caves. 5. Cienfuegos. Known as the Pearl of the South, Cienfuegos is a beautiful city with French colonial architecture, a vibrant cultural scene, and close proximity to stunning natural parks. Things to do in Cuba on a budget. There's so much to see and do in Cuba, even on a tight budget. Here are some top activities to consider. Explore the beaches. Cuba has some of the most beautiful beaches in the Caribbean. Whether you're relaxing on Varadero's sands or swimming in Playa Paraíso's clear waters, Cuba's beaches are a great way to spend your days without spending much. Take a walking tour in Havana. Many organizations offer free or low-cost walking tours of Havana. This is a great way to learn about the city's history, architecture, and culture. Visit the tobacco fields in Vinales. In Vinales, you can visit tobacco farms and learn how Cuban cigars are made. The area's natural beauty is perfect for hiking and horseback riding. Conclusion: traveling to Cuba on a budget. Cuba is an incredible destination with plenty to offer, and it's possible to explore this island on a budget. From finding affordable accommodation and transportation to booking activities through Expedia for great savings, planning your Cuban getaway doesn't have to break the bank. For more travel tips, discounts, and advice, be sure to click the link in my channel's description for exclusive savings and bundle deals with Expedia. Subscribe for more adventures. Happy travels! If you found this guide helpful and want more budget travel tips, don't forget to subscribe for more adventures. Safe travels to Cuba and enjoy every moment of your trip.